Okay, we're gonna try to sing a song by Taylor Swift. Oh, I know what to do! Okay, one sec. Okay. You belong with me. Ready? Oh, it's a girlfriend, she's upset, she's going on about something that she said. She sounded on humor like I do. I'm sorry like I do. I wear t-shirts, she's in happiness. I'm on the bleachers, at the day. You think of the night, you're looking for the beautiful time. You say, when I'm going to see you, why can't you see me? Don't belong to me, you belong to me. You doing with a girl like that? You raise my heels, you raise my face. She's your happiness. I'm on the bleachers, waiting for a you looking for. I've been here before. Yeah, I gotta end this because I don't really have much battery left.